and Crawford Boa no. No, I can't want. Obeka so me di 4 years I continue the BNC. Well, sir, who do we are? Unyangu you. You know you're not a Ghana.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so. What friend me Adjoa searching. Ebusian for Abrantia or that screen is your friend Bobie Ansah or your journalist. Na okasa de ma NDC amayoko no. I on any journalist no or yet de ma NDC. Na odi ni juma ewo Accra FM. Bobie Ansah de ensembia betudwa or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de no. Senyame ya nadom na so kotenefia obenu ho papa. So we would Kelvin Taylor a president Kuffour and I said Ghana mofani be a casa sorry or my penda da Kuffour dina terminal sana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we na membu no kotenefia Ghana for the bayano. Bobie Ansah His Excellency John Dramani Mahama feel say over 4 years pe on baby on be contest meeting be da ballot box paper so bi ontino de opebia na oya on kai no who say Senyame na adom na okotene na se onwu nko ade a de be koso wo Ghana ha no bia no behu bi ti se de this fo atwe omo camera esi omo so edi oman pani dada Kuffour atem oman pani dada His Excellency John Nana Danko Kuffour ado atem no sa eno Ghana for de beye no se ne ensu ye no sa nso na wia beye ti Bobie Ansah de ne nsema atodwa na Bobie Ansah kasa na o kire se
see oni krom ni I don't know. But enya bone say media platform bia under government. I think it's good. Even if a platform here anti NDC crown or also he had got to build himself up. But you see yeah, now so Crawford when Crawford Boa no no I can't want. Obeka so me di 4 years I continue the BNC. Well, sir, who do we are? Unyangu you. You know you're not a Ghana. Into who do we are? Who di 4 years in we are ye. And now we are so young we are microphone yan tumu. Na said ya man for besi atwe ase wa bra utifie no. You know what a problem no one. Ave de Kuffour no so say MPP will be amfani nya hwe yemu no yamu because ukura power no jimi no a jimi ye no a no obi e ka cho say Kuffour wu jimi na jai no a ufu say na power cross at time no ntino nti ase no. Yes, now you are faced with the reality. It is a Crawford omoboa wo na so I don't care about them. Me busia for me name Crawford me name Krom for yo. So this guy is at NLA. Inti obe feed the platform no sa ebedu 2028 no near baba be frɛ wo say wow come de no brana ane de ono wadi di ame no emfa nkosi ani. And I make 400,000. I don't need me nibi, but I don't need it. And it's fine. That if Felix Kwacho for Sukai, yes, I reset na NKBBA. So at least MPP timer, it won't happen. No, MPP they won't do this stupid stuff. Yes, omo and this phone be so papa. Be I know be ni mobi any idea. Me mpem kwasi asem ntinu mensi MPP ni bia yande ya me personal vow for 8 years me mpem kwasi asem ntinu mensi MPP ni bia office da me mpem kwasi asem in my life na say me share me nua asem ya oku commander say wa na wa ma na papa panimu ti say me sori mra me dey na asem ya oku me papa panimu ti say ma sori abetena kwa no na da me kodoma nkania fu a 3 months na aba me kodoma almost stories beyond person me bia against Jomama and NDC biano. But Edru say Sabita Frache yeah unim say Accra FM class media a contact marketing for contacting some companies buying institutions government institutions are omo to meet advert omo ma Accra FM omo ma obia Yes. Okay, so this is my news, gh.com. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Kofi Tonto hits back. 13th September 2024. Yes. In the heat of a campaign. No? So this is the platform. This is the platform. John Mahama is the kingpin of corruption. Okay. July 1st, 2026. Where the Kofi Tonto Baumia spokesperson. Where 1st July last week okay. Mahama begged for votes on the street but flew over flood victims. Awa Muhammad, another Baumia, a boy. Right? Okay. June 8th, 2026. Mahama is a weak leader. Miracles Abuaji fumes. Wait, because of my time, me Ansah pena my phone. And we are say even the articles that Yenya Steven Zori no said that Trafa John Mahama. Accra FM enko government institution bia momo emma advert da. Accra FM ne class FM report Accra FM reporters kra no omo mpese obeben baby omo. Yeah, NDC appointees mpese obeben baby omo kra. Me nya reporter me member o me hwe. To be honest with you, NDC in office Senye Sami Jemfia Kando are like my main friends. They are my friends, my personal friends. Even Chief of Staff for Yemi Papa Krano, the office me once in my lifetime. Once. Me yeshi. Because me mama haya me she. Into me yeshi. Sami Jemfi, I have that. Your friend is a me lawyer, Eduji any day, any time. We talk on phone. Eduji office once, but on phone every day, constantly. Meaning me and the dim come say obini nebusu penny. No, every day we are talking. Ye di bibi on come food, everything. Yeah. Come on, Eduji come there always. There's nowhere do you be whom call. You know, you will not get back to me. But me reporters are framing that. And maybe there was a program at presidency. It took me more than 1 hour to get my reporters in. Yes, Oma for ni Omo namfufu ya ena me reporters na ka echiri ufre we ya oh sir mehe tell ya ho kra ya omo tan presidency ya so but that is okay. Yeah, that is okay. Enti we yes or your stories for John Mahama ho ani afre o say Kopepa ateche no a yato abojo Mahama no na dia ono no aye stories no ye fa contractor na ye dia ma no $400,000 Ghana ska ba denye ska o no mimi ni bi ba $400,000 Ghana enye ska ma me endi nya sa me mpe $400,000 Ghana mini bi meti we are saying minimum say minibi but sabe me nkosre $400,000 Ghana minibi but me nkonante nkosre enti here no mopa monsa nwianka ho But the fact of the matter is that people say, now, are you sure the audit report is not expenditures for the year 2024? Your 2026, was it 2025? Was it 2024? Meaning when you 2024, the about 2025. 2025, the about 2026. This is simple. I mean, they say we here. And what I say from March 2025 to December 2025. Somebody called me from NLA this morning that guy no ye NLA.
NDC for buy no, omo neglect NDC youth ni na de. Bobie Ansah, enye neglect na NDC for neglect NDC youth ni ho asem na wo ka. Can in general, because Ghana hanom no bibi anya adwuma, health sector anya adwuma, education sector anya adwuma, energy sector anya adwuma, baby anya. In fact, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promises say Ghana youth no mu nya adwuma anya into the 24-hour economy, but na youth bia anya adwuma anya. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say Ghana for boss oba. Bia no beton wo manyimu. And as I'm speaking to you now, the 24-hour economy, I hear His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in quote, the biggest policy no. NDC4 are still explaining 24-hour economy. They are explaining it as if some opposition or air campaign actually Ghana for. I mean, what is this? What is this? Mo be catch Ghana for say. Youth ni nye juma nye NPP aba youth ni gufie omo usuna de inti no mo bro mo adwuma. Mo be create jobs na youth ni nye biaye. Bobie Ansah NDC4 ba ya omo ko 2 years 24-hour economy no. They are still explaining it. They are explaining 24-hour economy no still. So our friend is saying, omo ye ekuano. Everybody ankopo. Ekuafo, omo kwafu a omo ye adwuma 24-hour economy. We a musician a, ukoje ye our friend is saying, sure. Bonjuma from anapa kopme anapa the next morning 24-hour. Oton gari esichire nkate emu koko wache fufu ye no 24-hour. Hey, no wonder some of them mobile school that at the EDCC market, some would have a 24-hour economy. Now his Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ever since our war to Ghana Hano, market in Ghana Hano, Edra Ghana, a Kwahu, Obio to Mrs. Enyama, Oko Kejetia, Oko Makola, Oko your friend say Tudu, Kanta, Oko your friend say Kaneshi, and Kofu Gukwaho Towade. Ya na enye se bia ka biti free ana se bibi se betimi akụ nipa baga na fonte nti omu di dwa ho se edwa no komo ye no 24 hour omu acha wo gwaso a ye 10 11 kra me fa se 10 11 no bia ekọ ni fie and as 10 11 ne kra ye sam omu di dwa no market women for na sometimes aya na omu ho ebi mu di nkomo ebi mu park omu niama but Ghana need this bia no obeso we akọ market so akọ di dwa anadwo by 1 2 3 and then I had that's also who see market the 24-hour economy and now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama indirectly you are telling us that we are stupid and you go Ghana just you left from your right now say His Excellency who Ghana for see you left from your right and can make country and say who see market the 24-hour economy. What are you telling us? That's a market no kwa no bubu school dan almost so ko se wale wo se ho ba bi we bubu school dan e this market na mo fra na akotena eduase no musua de eh Ghana nti be Ghana be ye pa ni NDC for e bosha mo de share Ghana youth na enye no na mo for feeling no